today I'm bringing you an option in OneDrive where you'll be able to share your files, for instance Excel sheets, with others and have them collaborate with you in real time, and all that being done for free. So using the free app from Microsoft, which is called OneDrive. So to get started, I'm just going to go to my download folder in here. I have a test file called test file. I'm going to copy it to my OneDrive personal. Now I already have one, so I'm going to delete it. Just going to paste it in here for you guys, and as you can see, it's trying to synchronize with the OneDrive. I will also put a link in the description of this video what I have talked previously about OneDrive, so how you can sign up to OneDrive and get 15 GB of storage in the cloud with Microsoft for free just by having a Hotmail email or Outlook or live.com. So in here, I'm just going to right click on the file and just go and click view online. That will attempt to open the file using the OneDrive Cloud Services automatically. I'm not going to do anything all by itself. It's going to try to convert the file so I can edit it. And then I'm going to share it with myself using an email just to show you how the sharing works and how simple it is. So let's say this is the Excel file. It has like around 5,000 rows. Let's say I want to add another row. I'm going to call it 5001. Let's say I'm going to put my name, Mohamed. Let's say I'm going to put my PC. That's going to put in here just some information, states, right? And let's say I add this 6155, right? So let's say this is just the details I added. I want to share it now with somebody else. So I'm going to click share and just type the email of the person in here. I'm going to type the channel email, which is a Gmail account. And choose it, click send. It sent it to the email. It's going to go back to my Gmail right now and just click refresh for me to get it. As you can see, I got the email right now, so I'm going to go and click open. It's going to open it in a different browser, and all that is done using the web application for Microsoft and OneDrive. It's pretty cool. So as you can see, this is where we left off when I was trying to edit it from the other browser. And what I can do here, I'm going to change this to 5, for instance. I'm going to just double click this, then click edit workbook, so I'm able to edit it as well. And in here, I'm going to change this to, for instance, 3. Let's say I want to add this information in here, right? Let's say, let's do this, paste it in here. And let's say I want to change this as well to 6, right? So right now I have changes. So if I go back to this, to the other web page, I'm going to remove this. As you can see here, it already has updated it. So all the information that I adjusted in the other link has already been updated, and it shows where the other person was stopping, the guest, the person that you shared with, where he or she left off when they did the collaboration on the same sheet. So that's all about the video, guys. Just want to show you how you can basically collaborate using the same spreadsheet with others using OneDrive. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section and I will get back to you with an answer. Until the next video, wish you a great day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.